an item or an activity I would like to do before we do item 1.2 or item 2.1, where we start with resolving equations. It's a kind of categorization exercise where we would like to ask students to identify a little bit, as we did in cycle 4 with the different volumes, the forms that we did, so that the student would group different equations. And here we would set up a number of cards where there are exercises written on, and in one kind of exercises and tasks, the unknown, where the unknown stands in different form, is only in the left member of the equations, and there are other equations where the unknown is in both terms in both parts of the equation, or perhaps that it's more complex than (5n-3). So then we would make two baskets or two places, and the students would have to identify similar equations, let's say, that look like. So it would be an interesting thing, so that the student here collects perhaps these equations here in the ideal situation, and he groups this one on this side, on the other side, and perhaps he could write below the argument, why did I put these here, and on the other side he could say, why did I put the other ones here. And it would be interesting in using different letters, and at least 3 letters, N, X, Y, T. You could perhaps also use a symbol, something like that, and so that's it has to be more than 2, because on one side he could group those equations with the N and with the X in unknown, so there have been different unknowns, and he would really see that in these parts of the equations is only the unknown is only in the left member. We could perhaps also add something like 3n plus 2, where the unknown is in the left member, but only one unknown, one expression of the unknown. So, and then from the next one, from this side, we could go to item 2.1, and from this we could go to item 2.2, so which would then redirect students from one to the other.